Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can select the exact wallpaper for the Realme 6 device. So the reason why I'm doing this wallpaper review because the Realme 6 has a punch hole display. So by using this kind of wallpapers, cool looking wallpapers, you can actually hide the front cam and you can utilize this kind of good looking wallpaper, friends. So for example, in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, you can see the punch hole display. So where the wallpaper utilizes the punch hole. So it simulates like it's hanging because of the punch hole, as you can see. Same thing with the Poco X2 as well. So where there is a dual punch hole cutouts. So because of this application, it looks like two eyes. So for all these wallpaper links, there is a separate playlist, friends. So you can check out my playlist. So don't forget to subscribe and like, because definitely I'll be doing in-depth reviews in the future as well. So you can find the wallpapers link in the description, so you can find plenty of useful wallpaper videos as well. And let's get started how you can actually set wallpapers in the Realme 6 phone, because I searched everywhere, friends. I cannot find exact wallpaper for the Realme 6 phone. The reason why we found the wallpapers for the Redmi Note 9 Pro is that the Redmi Note 9 Pro has a middle exactly in the middle placement of the punch hole, so which is same kind of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 place. So the developers which develop the wallpapers for those phones we have used for these mobile phones. So same thing for the Poco X2. So Poco X2 has a two punch hole cameras, so which is the same kind of replica of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so which has the same kind of front cams. So similarly, there is S10 Mobile which has the right side the punch hole, not the left side. But unfortunately, the Realme 6 has the left side punch hole, friends. So here we need to be a little bit careful in terms of downloading the applications. So app which I'll be explaining is that it's called IdeAll wallpaper application for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So by using this application, you can actually download the wallpapers for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10. So let me select one of the wallpaper. As you can see, friends, the punch hole is on the right side. So what you need to do is you need to download this wallpaper. So once you download the wallpaper, you can go to the gallery. So let me go to the gallery and open the wallpaper, friends. So as you can see, the wallpaper is downloaded. And if you go to the edit, and here you need to change the orientation. So let me mirror. So once you click the mirror option, the right side of the hole will be changing to the left side, friends. So in this way, you can use this kind of wallpapers for the Realme 6 phone, and you can still use the punch hole. So let me select the wallpaper. As you can see, friends, so which is very good right now. It looks like the camera near the sun position, as you can see, friends. So in this way, you need to download all the wallpapers which you like in this phone for the Samsung S10 which suits, as you can see. So once you download, go to the gallery application and try to change the mirror, the image, as you can see. So in this way only you can select the exact looking wallpaper, friends, so which is very good. So at least in this way we can use this kind of wallpaper. So before I searched everywhere in the internet, but I cannot find the wallpapers from towards the left side. So then I decided to try the actual right side wallpaper and just mirror it. So it worked perfectly fine for me. There is no problem with that, friends. So definitely, if you are using Realme 6 phone, try to download this application and try to mirror them, so it will work pretty good in your device. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check out the links in description. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.